Alam mo ba na ang pagiging real estate agent ay maraming benefits? Kung iniisip mong maging real estate agent, let me tell you kung bakit worth it ito. Number 1, flexibility. As a real estate agent, hawak mo ang oras mo. Pwede kang magtrabaho ng full-time or part-time. Depende sa schedule mo. Walang 9 to 5 routine, kaya may oras ka para sa mga bagay na mahalaga sa'yo. Number 2, income potential. Walang limitasyon sa kikitain mo. The more sales you make, the higher your earnings. Commission-based ang kita, kaya the sky's the limit. Bukod sa commission-based income, maaari ka ring makatanggap ng iba't ibang incentives mula sa real estate company kung saan ka accredited, tulad ng bonuses, recognition awards, at vacation trips kung saan may pagkakataon kang makarating sa mga magagandang lugar na nasa bucket list mo, mapa-local or abroad. Ilan lang ang mga ito sa mga rewards na maaari mong matanggap kapalit ng iyong hard work at dedication. Number 3, you can help others. Imagine the joy of helping a family find their dream home or assisting someone in making a great investment. It's a fulfilling career that could make a difference in the lives of people. Number 4, continuous learning. Lagi kang may bagong matututunan tungkol sa mga market trends, negotiation skills, at customer service. Here at Linville, we conduct different seminars and activities para sa aming mga real estate agents. Through these seminars, matututo ka ng mga bagong strategies, best practices, at insights mula sa mga experts sa industriya. It's a career that keeps you beyond the edge of your seat and constantly on your toes with academic and real-world learning. Number 5, network opportunities. Meron kang pagkakataon na makilala ang iba't ibang tao sa industriya. Clients, investors, at kapwa agents, all from different walks of life and with a wide range of experiences and connections. Pag may malawak kang network, mas marami kang opportunities. Lahat ng ito ay pwedeng-pwede mong makuha if you are a member of the Linville In-House Pioneer Group. Kaya kung isa ka sa mga naghahanap ng flexible career, mataas na potential income at fulfilling na trabaho na puno ng opportunities, then be a real estate agent. Baka ito na ang hinahanap mong career path for success. Be a Linville In-House Pioneer. Be one of us. For more information, you may contact the following details. You may also search us on Facebook. Get your life's direction sorted out today.